Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today's video is about diaphragm and why many people misunderstand the term singing from your diaphragm. The diaphragm, like almost every muscle, can only pull and tighten. It cannot push, and that's where the misunderstanding is. Many people try to work with their breathing, trying to push with this muscle, but muscles cannot push, muscles can only tighten. So the diaphragm is the muscle that pulls the bottom of your lungs. So here are the lungs, here's some material, and the diaphragm pulls it and vacuums the volume, vacuums the air, but it cannot push, it cannot get your air outside your lungs. And what muscles do that? Our ribcage muscles, those muscles pump the air out of your lungs. So how to make them work? First, we have to relax our abdominal muscles. Those muscles, they never have to work when we sing. They either have to be relaxed or even little bit pushed forward, little bit, but never tightened. So relax your belly or little bit lean it forward. So how to make your intercostal muscles work? First, don't think about them. It's difficult to think about the muscles themselves. Instead, do the things that make them work, like blowing. Like when you blow, those muscles work. Also, you may say, "Hey!" Again, those muscles work. Intercostal muscles. Hey! And the next thing, bike. Imitate an engine of a bike. The next thing is laugh. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! So those things activate your intercostal muscles, but your diaphragm can never pump the air out of your lungs. But what do those coaches mean by singing from your diaphragm? They mean taking a breath with your diaphragm to the bottom of your lungs. So taking a breath is crucial here. We don't have to take a breath in our chest here in this place, like we don't have to. We shouldn't take a breath like we're about to jump into water. We have to take a breath in a relaxed way. In our normal life, when we are relaxed, normally the air first comes to the bottom of our lungs and then it fills the top. So it comes from the bottom to the top if we are relaxed. So how to breathe from your diaphragm? Relax your belly, and you may do it just naturally, like you're smelling a flower, like, or like you're in the mountains and you want to smell the air, like. In this relaxed way, the air fills your bottom, the bottom of your lungs first, and then the top. That's what we need. Falling asleep on a chair, for example, like this. Talking on the phone when you don't want somebody to find out that you have been running, like, hello? Yes. So why do we breathe like this? Because we force ourselves to breathe in a relaxed way. That means, again, that relaxed way of breathing fills the bottom of your lungs first, what we need for singing. That was the tip for today. Thank you for watching.